DoorDash card declines usually happen due to three main reasons. First, your bank might be placing a temporary hold to verify funds, especially for larger orders. This is a common security measure and should resolve within 1 to 3 business days. Second, the billing address you entered must exactly match the one associated with your card. Any mismatch can trigger a decline as a fraud prevention measure. Finally, make sure you're entering the CVV code correctly. It's the 3 or 4-digit code on the back or front of your card. Incorrect CVV entry is a security flag. Also, DoorDash may use AI to detect fraud and decline suspicious transactions in real time. Update your app, ensure strong Wi-Fi, and check your bank's online portal if your card is not working. To fix DoorDash card declines, start by double-checking your card details in the DoorDash app under Payment Methods. Ensure the card number, expiration date, billing address, and CVV are all accurate. Incorrect CVV inputs can lead to declines. Watch how the error rate increases with mismatches. If the address is the problem, update it to match your card's registered billing address. If it's a bank hold, you can either wait for it to clear, usually 1 to 3 days, or contact your bank to authorize the transaction. As a quick fix, try using a digital wallet like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or PayPal, as these bypass some of the traditional address and CVV checks. Also, keep your app up to date and check the bank app for possible alerts. If problems continue, contacting DoorDash support or your bank directly is the next step.